everyone, my name is Ayush Thakur. I am from class 7.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Lohia from class 7.
So today we are going to present our project, that is automatic garbage sorter.
We technical tinker creating a project under the ATL Marathon 2023.
And the theme for our project is environment and climate sustainability.
We use certain tool and the technology of ATL for making our project.
The certain tools and technologies for making our project is Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, conveyor belt, BO motors.
We are making this project because many people face difficulty to sort garbage. Our project helps them to separate garbage, and it play a big role in development and also clean our environment.
And it is going to work like when we put garbage on our conveyor belt, it will start moving. It is the circuit diagram of our project. This is ultrasonic sensor, soil moisture sensor, inductive proximity sensor, breadboard, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and in the bottom here is our servo motor. The work of our inductive proximity sensor is it will identify whether the garbage is metallic or non-metallic, and the working of our soil moisture sensor is it will identify whether the garbage is wet or dry. So this is our project. It is going to work like when we put garbage on the conveyor belt, it will start moving, and if our garbage is dry, so it will go to the soil moisture sensor and it will sense whether the garbage is dry or wet, and when it come here near to the ultrasonic sensor, this our garbage will move and go to its particular chamber.
This is ultrasonic sensor which sense the garbage, and there is our servo motor which move when the ultrasonic sensor sense the garbage. Our servo motor will move and the garbage will go in his particular chamber. There is our jumper wires and Arduino Uno breadboard. This is all is a circuit diagram.
And now you can see it is the coding part of our project.